Hello everyone. So today we will be learning the time value of money. That means present value simple interest. Just imagine someone promises to give you $1,200 after 2 years. But what if you want to know how much that money is worth today? That value is called the present value. So in this video, I will show you how to calculate the present value using simple interest in a very easy way with a clear formula and example. So before we calculate it, let's first understand what present value means. Present value is the current worth or the value of money that you will receive in the future considering a certain interest rate. So the money which we have today, if we invest somewhere, we will get the returns. So the money will grow. So if I want to have $1,200 after 2 years, how much money I should invest today in order to get $1,200 after 2 years? So what rate of interest I will be receiving, on what rate of interest? That formula we will be using and calculating the present value of money. So let's start with the first simple example. So let's first, as I told you in my earlier videos also, the steps of solving any problem, any questions. When we solve, the first thing is that we have to read it carefully. The first time when we read the question, we will try to understand what exactly is asked in the question, what they want us to calculate. The second thing, based on that, we'll write the formula. The third step is substitute the values, and the fourth step, start solving the problem. So the first thing we will be reading, this is an example of calculating the present value with simple interest. So if you want to have a sum of $5,000, so if you want to have a sum of $5,000 after 3 years, how much you need to deposit today in the bank, which gives 5% simple interest. So here we have to find out, we want to find out the present value using the simple interest formula. So I want $5,000 after 3 years. So first thing what I will be doing it, we have to write the formula for present value. The formula for present value is equal to present value, which is PV, is equal to future value divided by 1 plus RT. Now what we will be doing it, we have written the formula. Based on the questions, we will just write whatever information is provided. So we will write first, what is my future value? So I want $5,000 after 3 years. So this $5,000 is my future value. Then as per the formula, R is what? R is nothing but rate of interest. See, 5% simple rate of interest. 5%. 5% means 5 per 100. So 5 divided by 100, it will come to 0.05. And then my T. T is what? T is the time. For how much time? It is 3 years. Now with these things, we will just substitute in the formula. So my present value is equal to future value is 5,000. I want $5,000 divide by Just go step by step as per the formula. 1 plus my R is 0.05, which is 5% interest. Okay, multiply by T. T is the time, that is 5. So when we calculate this, we will be getting the answer is 4,347.862. So this is my value of money at the present time. So if I want to have a $5,000 after 3 years, and I can keep this $5,000 in a bank for 3 years, and I am getting a simple interest of 5%, so I need to deposit this amount. I need to deposit 4,347.862. If I deposit this amount today, after 3 years at 5% rate of interest, I will be receiving 5,000. So this is how we calculate the present value using simple interest. Let's take another example. So first we will read the question. How much amount is needed to be invested at 6% simple interest to generate $10,000 after 5 years? So after 5 years, if I want $10,000, how much money I should invest today? So I want to find out the present value of $10,000. What after 5 years, 10,000, what is the amount of $10,000 after 5 years? What should be the present value of that amount? So first thing, as I told you, first what we will be doing it, we have to write the formula for calculating present value. We want to find out the present value of $10,000. So present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus RT. RT means R multiplied by T. Now we will write the values which is given. So future value is given here, that is $10,000. What is my R? R is 6%. 6% means 6 divided by 100, which is nothing but 0.06. And for how much time I want to deposit? I will be depositing it for 5 years. So now just we will write it in the formula, substitute it. Present value is equal to 10,000 divided by 1 plus, what is my R, rate of interest? 0.06 multiplied by time. Time is 5. So when we calculate, we get the answer. So how much dollar I need to invest today in the bank? It is 7,692.23. So in order to get $10,000 after 5 years at 6% simple interest, I need to deposit $7,692.23 today in the bank. Is that clear? Let's take one more example. Exercise 2. Ahmed has to pay $50,000 to purchase his dream car after 5 years. He wants to purchase car after 5 years. How much he needs to deposit in the bank today if the rate of interest is 5% per annum simple interest? So now we need to find out the present value. So we write the formula, present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus RT. So we'll just write the values which is given in the question. So my future value, Ahmed needs $50,000 to purchase his dream car. he is depositing this in the bank. He is getting the interest of 5%. 5% means 0.05. How do we get 5 divided by 100? And for how much time he is depositing this money in the bank? It's 5 years. So now we will just write it down in the formula. So my future value is 50,000 divided by 1 plus R. R means rate of interest is 0.05 multiply by time, that is 5. So what will be my answer? My answer will be $40,000. So if Ahmed wants to buy his dream car after 5 years, for which he needs $50,000, so today he should deposit $40,000 in the bank for 5 years. So this is how we calculate the present value of money based on simple interest. Okay, so in our next video we will be learning how to calculate the present value using compound interest. So just be there. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe to the channel so that you will be receiving the videos on a regular basis in a very easy and simple way. So subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon so that you can receive the notification. Share this with your friends if you like it, so that your friends are also able to take the advantage, and then like the video, and don't forget to give your comments. Okay, so see you in my next video.